Senator Ping even monitored the CCTV na-interview siya somewhere. Sabi niya, pinakuha ko yung CCTV and I saw that Gutesa was fetched from the guards area at 8:27 and he was whisked into the office of Senator Marcoleta. Pagkatapos noon, after 30 minutes yata to about 1 hour, sabi niya, dinala siya sa lugar na kung saan yung mga maghihiring. Ganong kalawak kanya yung kinalaman ni Senator Marcoleta. Hindi ko malaman kung ba't niya sinabing ganong kalawak. Ano ibig niya sabihin kalawak? Kaya tinatanong ko lang, mas a chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee, tingnan ba niya sa CCTV kung sino yung pumupunta sa mga opisina namin? Can I also do the same to him? Like, I want to see on a daily basis, who are the people, who are the personages coming to his office? Baka hindi rin niya na mabutihin.
So you took offense?
I took offense because
Yes.
I don't think this is the job of a senator. Much less kung ano yung rapport niya sa kapwa niya, senator.
So, meaning you took it to mean that he may be suspecting that this was all your orchestration.
Parang ganun.
Parang ganun.
Hindi ba siya magkasya na pumunta na lang yung tao? Why would he look into the CCTV?
Well, at that time, you were the Blue Ribbon Committee chairman.
He was already.
He was already.
Hindi, out na ako.
So, palagay po ninyo
Hindi
bakit...
lamang yun. May nagsabi pa sa akin na tinignan din lang yung CCTV doon sa Seascape. Isang resto, Chinese resto, na nandun yung Golden China. Kasi sinabi ko, before I presented Gutesa, kinuwento ko yung antecedents. So sabi ko, tinagpo ko siya para malaman ko talaga, nagmamadali ako. So tinignan nila siguro yung time frame. Parang tumama yung time frame dahil hindi man ako talaga nagtagal. So mukhang hindi nila ipipresent yung Seascape. Because napansin nila, tama na, nagpunta siya tapos bumalik din.
Okay, just to summarize so far, ito pong nangyari sa pagnonotaryo ay teknikalidad at gawain na talaga. That I can confirm because from my own experience,
It's a common
nangyayari po
practice.
talaga. Yes, it is a practice. And parang walang basihan ang sinasabi nila na kayo po ang nagpakana ng buo at nag-choreograph ng buong Gutesa episode.
Hindi lamang yun. Dapat mag-umpisa doon sa anong motivation. Ikaw na rin ang nagsabi. Anong motivation naman ni Gutesa? Nagmamadali. Mag-iimbento siya ng stampad ng notarial details ng abogada. Nanghiram siya ng dry seal. Pagkatapos nanghiram siya ng notarial register para makuha niya pati yung stampad ng lugar yung Manila. Gaganunin mo ganyan. Para, bakit niya gagawin yun? Pinakamadali para sa kanya, magbayad lang siya kung magkano yung sisingilin sa kanya, kung 200, kung 300, up to 500 pesos. I think that's the better and easier way to do this. Why would Gutesa chose to do this in a different way?
What about money? Sasabihin ng ibang tao, baka nakatanggap ng mana from heaven.